Hello students, uh, welcome again. In today's video we are going to talk about control structure, and that is if else if. As the name says, it is if else if means obviously there will be multiple blocks to be tested with some conditions. If the particular block is true, then its related part, that is a statement, will be executed. If that is not true, then it goes for the next block, I mean the next condition. If the next condition is true, then its related part or the block or the statement will be executed. In this way, it can test multiple conditions. Suppose none of the conditions became true. Now, at the end we have to use the else part and it will be executed. It works in serial order, means serial fashion. So syntax is very simple. First condition we have to put it here. The code we want to run under this condition. If this condition is false, we have to put next condition. We have to keep in mind that we must use the else if. Simply if we use the else, then there will be no condition. If we are using else if, then there must be a condition. If this condition is true, then this part will be executed. Suppose this condition also became false, then it will go for next block, that is condition 3. It will be tested. If this condition becomes true, then actually this part will be executed. Suppose none of the conditions became true. Now there is else part, it will be executed. This flowchart is also very simple. We can see here. First condition tested. Suppose it became true, then this statement will be executed. Then it will terminate. Suppose first condition became false, then the next condition is here. It is tested. If this this condition suppose that is true, then this part will be executed. It will be terminated. Suppose none of the conditions became true, then in this false statement, that is else part will be executed and it will exit. So it was what if else if. Now let's see an example. Example is here. Same example I'm going to show you in our compiler. So here is compiler. I'm taking one number. We can also go for input. Suppose if the number is less than 20, first condition is if it is smaller than 20, then this condition becomes true and it will be printed like that, number is less than 20. But suppose if here we have taken the 25, means the first condition, it is not being true. Now it goes for the next else if block. So 25 is obviously smaller than 30, it becomes true. Since it becomes true, then what happens? This part will be executed, that is between 20 and 29. Obviously less than 30 means actually this number it is between 29 and the 20. It's very simple then. Suppose this condition also became false, and next condition we have put here, that is less than 40. Less than 40 means suppose if we take 37, so 37, this condition is not true, this condition is also not true. 37 comes here because 37 is smaller than 40. This condition is being true, so it will be now printed. So that is between 30 and 39. Suppose if we give 50, so false, false, false. The else part, that is greater than 40, will be printed. In this way it runs. We use if else if structure. We can see here. I hope you understood this if else if structure. If you have any query, then you can ask me. Thank you.